Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Cyrex Capital. Welcome to another video. Okay, so what's going to happen is that I'm going to be updating you guys and showing you guys all the trades that I have taken from Monday to Friday. So every night I'll be doing a review of all the trades that I took during the daytime and compile that into a video on Friday and upload it, I don't know, by the weekend or the following week, Monday or Tuesday by the latest. So let's go over what happened today. So today I took two trades, right? These are the two trades. These were in London session, right? So as price came down, right, I was monitoring price, right? Now, wait, let me mark this. Let me do this. Mark, so send to back. Okay, so these are the two trades that I took today. So this time is standard South African time, which is UTC +2. So the first trade was placed at around 9:20, and the second trade I placed at around 10 o'clock. Let me go over the price action, right? So this was around London session, right? So as price came down, wait, let me remove this. So okay, sometimes I like to wait for price to give me something clear, which is here, right? Let me show you. So price swept here, right? Came up, swept this low, right? And created the CISD there. Some of y'all might argue that this is not a CISD, but if you do go down to the lower time frames, you are going to see a CISD on this level, right? Or even lower. But as I trade on the 5-minute time frame, I take this as an extreme CISD. So when this candle closed above, it gave me a CISD here, which is an extreme CISD. I entered on the candle closure there, right? Which is, as you can see, drawdown was minimal as it didn't go that deep. Took a trade from there, price went straight to TP, right? And I was monitoring this order block right here, right? So when price reversed and came up into this order block, I knew that it was going to reverse at some point, whether it swept these highs or came in and tapped into this order block. Like, it wasn't going to matter to me. But so when price tapped into this order block and created the CISD, that signified to me that price is wanting to head lower, you know, up until these lows at least. So what I did was I took a trade from this candle closure right here. And as I'm saying, guys, wait, let me fix my CISD. Let me fix my CISD. The CISD is right here. So here I took a sell, right, straight to TP. Okay, I had a little bit of drawdown, as you can see, but eventually price went to my TP, which was at these lows right here. And I was done for the day. So yeah, guys, this is how today went. I didn't spend that much time on the charts, as I target like 2 trades a day, 2 winners at least. Let me show you my Notion, what's going on in Notion. Yep, okay, so this is my Notion, right? This is where I'll be showing you guys everything from day in, day out. As y'all can see, these are the 2 trades, the long and the short. This is the P&L. So this P&L is from this 5K account. So these results this P&L is from this account, which is the 5K account, which is the account that's in profit right now, and the account that I'll be showing you guys the results from. Right, so yep, as y'all see on the 9th, so these are the accounts that I currently have. This is ACG, which is Alpha Capital Group, FN, Funded Next, and 5%ers. These are the 3 accounts that I'm currently trading. As y'all can see that this account is in drawdown of negative 5.4%. My Funded Next account, which is the account that I've been showing you guys on here, it's down negative 3.75%. And this is also the account that I was up, that I showed you guys in the previous weeks. So now it's in drawdown, and this is a current account that the newest one, which is the 5%ers, and is up by $17, which is 0.35%. This is my risk management parameters. So I risk 0.5% per trade off my balance, and I take a maximum of 2 losses per day, which is I call it a day, and also after 2 winners I call it a day. So what I only focus on is taking A+ setups, right? And these are my goals for this year. So first goal is to get funded, second one is to get a payout, and the third one is to get 100K funded or more by the end of December. So yeah guys, this is the 9th of September. I will update you guys tomorrow. Alright folks, so this is today's price action. Now I do want to clarify that these are all forward test trades, and as you guys can see that there's a lot of trades, but with the challenge that I'm doing now with my trading rules is that there hasn't been any trades today, because what I wait for is I wait for 2 consecutive losses, and then I start trading on the third trade, because based on my data, using like trading the way that I do, is that most probably if I get 2 consecutive losses, the third trade is going to be a winner, right? So that's why I wait for 2 consecutive losses. So yeah, let me go over today's trades. Right, so I don't switch time frames. I just stick to this 5-minute time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame, right? So in the morning, right, there was news at like at 8, but these are high impact news, but they didn't affect Euro USD that much. As you can see, I took a trade after the news, which is price swept these lows, created a CISD, which I then entered on the candle closure, 1-to-1 stop loss here, CISD, TP hit, minimal drawdown. And as price came up, like I was looking at this order block right here, which price violated, which I saw that this candle had momentum. So I was like, okay, now let me wait for a liquidity sweep. I didn't get like a proper CISD, so I waited until what price gave me a CISD. I entered on the candle closure right there, 1-to-1. Had a bit of drawdown. I don't go break even on my trades, so, and then over here we tapped into this order block right here, which then gave me this bullish candlestick, which I take as some sort of a bullish variation, which was enough confirmation for me to enter, because we were reacting off of this order block, because this candlestick rejected and this one rejected also. So I took a trade 1-to-1, TP hit, price came back, sweep these lows, created a CISD, targeted a 1-to-1, price went into a bit of profit, eventually hitting my stop loss. Now as price went up, took liquidity right here and tapped into this order block that I pre-marked right here, right? Now as it came down, it created a CISD, which I then entered on that candle closure. I didn't enter, but you guys get what I'm saying. So price did reverse almost hitting my stop loss, but then it went down again, reversed and went straight to TP. Now this is another order block which price tapped into, created a CISD right there, which I entered 1-to-1 on that candle closure. TP hit, came down, swept, came up, sweep these highs, created a CISD, 1-to-1 TP hit. Now we had news also at 2:10 today, standard South African time. So I waited until after the news, which price headed down, sweeping these lows right here, giving me some sort of like a bullish variation. If you were to go down on the lower time frame, you would see that we had CISDs on the lower time frame. So I entered on that candle closure, but then price ended up stopping me out. I waited, and I saw that price swept here, so I was expecting what? I was expecting a reversal. I didn't enter here firstly because sometimes you do get manipulated. So I waited, price swept the first time, failed to make a CISD, came down again to come sweep for the second time, which was enough confirmation for me when it created the CISD, entered 1-to-1, TP hit, price came to come take these highs right here, but failed to create a CISD, came up here, took these highs again, created a CISD. I entered on that candle closure, which then price ended up stopping me right away. Waited a bit, price took these highs right here and created a CISD right there, which I entered on that candle closure, targeted a 1-2-1. Yep, so this is like the way that I trade, right? So for now, I'm just being conservative by trading after 2 losses. So as time goes, as I get more funding, I will take all of these trades because like the way that I trade, it's profitable, and like not all days are like this, but most days are like this. So yeah, I didn't get 2 consecutive losses. I got 2 losses, right, which was this loss right here and this loss right here, 2 losses right here. So yeah, this was Tuesday. It's price action. Tomorrow is another day. Let's see if tomorrow my strat will give me 2 losses. So yep, see you guys tomorrow. Alright folks, today is Thursday, the 12th of September. I took 2 trades which were both winners right here. So guys, I'm not gonna show you like all the trades like I usually do. I'm just gonna show you the trades that I did execute, which is this 2. So yeah, so we had like 2 losses before coming to these 2 trades, which is like the conditions for me trading on these accounts. So yeah, price came down, right? Fine. It swept liquidity over here, went up, came to this consequent encroachment of this imbalance right here, tapped over there. Price gave us a CISD. So I entered on the following candle closures thing here. So yeah, stop loss was here, targeted 1-to-1, which were these lows. So as soon as it swept these lows, right, I was anticipating what? I was anticipating a reversal, which did happen right here. As I saw the CISD, I was anticipating for this move. So when price closed bullish right here, creating the CISD, I entered on that candle closure. Price retraced a bit, but as y'all can see, it ended up going straight to my TP. Yeah, you guys see that. So that was basically today. I was live streaming everything like on YouTube. So if you go to my live section, you will see these trades today. You'll see basically like what I was thinking of, like the full breakdown of these trades. So yeah, you can go ahead and go and rewatch that. But what I would advise is that you would subscribe and turn on your post notifications to get notified whenever I drop or whenever I go live, because I go live at random times during the day. Because as I said, I wait for two losses on my strategy, then I start trading. So once I get those two losses, I'm gonna go live. Yeah. So yesterday I didn't show you this Notion database. So yeah, so the last time I showed you it had two trades, but I miscalculated the trades. Like I didn't um write in the trades from this account. I think it was from this ACG account. So if you can check on Monday, I think it was 2323. So yeah, I changed these into what I got on these accounts, on this account, actually on the Fivers account, which is the main account that is up right now. So yeah, all these balances right here, this P&L is for this account. So yeah, today is the 12th of September. Okay, on the 10th, right, I didn't really take any trades, but this was like a test trade. You know, it was a no trading day for me, so I didn't trade. This was just a test trade. Actually, I actually opened it by mistake. So yeah, um, yesterday, yeah, took one loss, and today we had these two wins. So yeah, I'm still on track. Like, still got a long way to go because this account is up by 0.68%, which is like 1 hour, and these ones have slightly improved, which is it's slightly going back up to break even. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, guys, so today is Friday the 13th. I've taken only one trade today, mainly because that I started trading a little bit late into my session. Mainly because I was waiting on two losses on like my strategy. Waiting on two losses, so the two losses came in late, which is why I took the trade at this time. But yeah, I just got off um live, so I took this trade while on live, so you guys can go rewatch that if you weren't a part of the live or if you missed the live. So yeah, but let me walk you through what happened. So pretty basic. Price tapped into that order block, swept this liquidity over here, retraced into this order block again, failed to retrace here, came into this order block, this top wick zone, which is this area right here, which then price came to come sweep those lows that it didn't sweep, and then gave us a CISD on that candle closure, which is where I entered. So we had a liquidity sweep plus CISD. I entered 1 to 1. As you can see, there was literally like no drawdown, with price ended up going to my TP right there. Yeah, pretty basic. I don't like complicating my trading, but yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna take any more trades, but I was supposed to take this sell right here, but since it's Friday, I'm just gonna take this trade, this W, and just move on. So yeah, I'm done trading for the week. Let me show you the Notion. Okay, so this week I have had a 60% win rate. If you can calculate through all of these trades, actually it's supposed to be higher because this trade I lost by mistake. I took this trade by mistake, which I immediately closed after. So yeah, I've stuck with my rules this week. I haven't broken any of my rules. Just that today I didn't call it a winner. I didn't call it a day after two winners. I called it a day after one winner. So yeah, this Fiverr's account is up by 1.1%, ending the week in $33.77 profit. This funded next account, it's slowly recovering. Yeah, it's at about 3% drawdown, and this one is at about I can say 4.5, which is, it came back from I think 6 or 7%. So yeah, it's still got a long way to go, but yeah, this is Cyrex Capital signing out. See you guys next week.